Going to show us what's going on the web today. Good morning, Emily.
Shocking.
Good morning, guys. You know, we always have so many different resources to share with you on wingingit.tv, but today I'm thinking about our photo galleries because we have a lot for you to see. So I want to pay special attention to those. When you're on wingingit.tv, scroll down and you'll see our photo gallery section, which I show you a lot when there's big events happening. But when you click more photos, it'll open you up to the whole section where you can see all the different photo galleries. First, I want to show you photos from an exhibit by Alexander McQueen. He's a famous fashion designer that he died last year, but he's in the news right now because it just came out that he left 50,000 pounds to his dogs and to be cared for their dogs. Now that's over $81,000, and while this news is coming out, he has this exhibit at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York, so he's really in the news a lot. So if you want to check it out and see what everyone's talking about, you can see this photo gallery. We also have galleries from Cowboys and Aliens premiere and the Smurfs premiere, so there's a lot happening here, so definitely check those out. And while you're online, of course, join the conversation about our hot sauce topic on Facebook. We're talking about game shows and what your favorite game show is, so you can see all of that on wingingit.tv, of course, on our Facebook page. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Em.
As you know, people love talking about their favorite game shows, so I thought I'd ask people what their favorite was. So we're getting lots of comments here. Tim's favorite game show was Let's Make a Deal. Chris says Cash Cab or Wheel of Fortune. Crystal says Family Feud, and I might have to agree with her on that one. And then don't forget the lyrics, and we have tons of other ideas on here and on our WIVB page. So check that out if you have a favorite that hasn't been listed yet. Now, I also want to go over to wingingit.tv, our website right now, because we have some back-to-school resources to share with you. Now, I know it's still July, but it is time to start thinking about back-to-school. So when you're on our website, scroll down. First, today you'll see Melissa's Savings for You. That's all about back-to-school shopping, and that's there with some great deals for you. Also, in the photo gallery page I showed you earlier, we have a whole gallery full of back-to-school mobile apps, and these are really, really useful. The first one that I liked was called Flashcards, and you can actually create and play flashcards for studying on your phone. The next is Quick Office, where you can actually create and edit Microsoft Office files from your phone. So if you miss homework or have to change something, you can do that from your phone. That's pretty amazing. There's about 12 more here. One's called Remember the Milk. That's to remember all of your tasks. So these are really convenient. I definitely think they'll be used very often this school year. So check all of those out on wingingit.tv. Back to you, Victoria.